Welcome to McDonald's BQMO Monster Day Out. So first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kuya Rod, and I am a vampire today. And this is my assistant. Hi, kids! May wow kayo, mga assistant. Again, I'm your... Unang magtulong. By the way, I'm Tony. Tony for short na lang. And this is also my other assistant, FTCJ. So they will be helping me out for making this event successful. So, first I would... Kids, I need to know what kind of monsters they are. So, Anita, the kids. Come here. Where's the others? Come here. First, let's start with this little angel. Okay, an angel, a little witch. The eye.
What's your name? Si Ate Marydel. So Ate Marydel, what are you today? Elsa? You're Elsa. Elsa daw siya sa English. She has a Elsa with a witch's hat. Pagpasabanan! Okay, next we have this little witch. Okay, may I know your name? Si Kuya Andre. Si Kuya Andre. Okay, Andre, what are you today? Vampire. Vampire daw siya.
Today.
Zach, what are you wearing today? This is Ronald McDonald's of Mando. Pagpasabanan! Okay, next, Kuya. We have this cute angel. What's your name? Si Ate Anya. So Ate Anya, what are you today? It's the Cattle Witch today sa McDonald's on Friday. Pagpasabanan! Next! Sige, Ate. Si Ate Mitch. Ate Mitch, what are you wearing today? Mitch ko dyan si Ate Mitch. Pagpasabanan! Okay. Si William daw iyahang costume. Wow, pagpasabanan! Okay. Ate, wow. Pretty na yung gusto si Ate. Okay, Ate, what's your name? Mia Bell? Ate Mia Bell, what are you wearing? Pantera. Wow, nice name costume. Pagpasabanan! Next, gold and shimmering. Sa name na natin. Si Ate Mia. Si Ate Mia, wearing today, Ate Mia. Wow, Cleopatra. So Cleopatra is a empress of Egypt. Wow, pagpasabanan din. Nice na yung isotoy. Next, lang yung bojo ko, Ani. Unsa yung isotoy. Unsa yung name na natin. Wow, Alicia Adelie. What are you wearing today, Ate Alicia? Lilibag. So isa kita lilibag. Wow, nice na yung isotoy. Thank you, pagpasabanan.
Okay, wow. Tandy, what's your name? Mary. Si Ate Mary. Ate Mary, can you describe me what you're wearing today? She is a bumblebee. Wow, pagpasabanan. Okay, next. Hi, Kuya, what's your name? Si Kuya Kai.
Kyle, can you describe me what you're wearing today? He is a rose. Pagpasabanan. Okay, galing. Nice na yung costume. Hi, Kuya, what's your name? Si Kuya Donut, can you describe me what you're wearing today? Blippi. Kuya Matt is a blippi today. Pagpatulan. Katarot ka din. Ate, sa rin name mo? Rod. At si Ate Rod. Si Ate Rod, isa episode na Ate Rod. Wow, where's the picture of today's video? Good today, guys, Ate Rod, right? Tapos sa kalala. Karon. This kuya. Right? Sir Nick? Kuya Joshua. Kuya Joshua, can you describe your what you're wearing today? Story of Joshua is a skeleton. Tapos sa kalan. Wow. Okay, kani. Ate, what's your name, Ate? Si Ate Colleen. So, Ate Colleen, pwede ka mag-describe kung saan gusto mo karon? Si Ate Colleen is also orange. Wow, tapos sa kalan. Kani, kabasa ito sa isuot niya. Kuya, ano name na to? Kuya, actor. Engineer na yung question ka rin. Tapos sa kalan. Okay, next. The last but not the least. Hi, Kuya, what's your name? Kuya Nathan, what are you today? So si Harry Potter. So since nagkailangan natin sa kids, so I would like again to go up natin sa i-group natin sila by 2. Kaya Tony at si James, tamagin ko ninyo, divide sa ato ang mga kids. Divide them by 2.
So after ta magduwa ani, after ta sa mga games, okay, so na-divide na ba tanan natin CJ? Wala pa to. We'll divide them to 2 groups. Kaya dalihan man sila. After natin mag-divide yung 2 groups, first, we'll play first, then ato na punta sa second group mag-talk sa Mabula. Yes, of course. So, Kuya Tony, example nito magkaroon sa ating match picture.
So naatay, left hand, left foot, and right foot. So kung unsay i-depict sa picture, nasa sutugon. So, first picture is left foot, and right hand. Left hand. So, after that, jump na po ka sa second picture. Second picture is right foot, left hand, and right hand. So you need to complete it as fast as you can without making a mistake, okay? Ready na? Nakagets ang kids? So paspaso ninyo o match ang inyong kamot o ang tiil. Niya ang kinsay maka-match o sakto, maka-win o prize. Okay, first, Anita, Kuya.
Okay, Kuya, ready na? Go! Next! Next! Right, next! Very good, next! Okay, go, next! Okay, next! Okay, back to the national prize from McDonald's! Okay, next is Kuya Spider-Man. Okay, Kuya Spider-Man for the beginning. Okay, ready, get set, go! And from Bumblebee, the sweetest bee of them all. Okay, ready na ka, Bumblebee? Good, very good. Next. Yes, very good. Next. Last one.
Very good.
Wow! Very good! You get a prize from McDonald's! Next, isa lang ba? A sweet butterfly.
What to play?
Grabe yung cute kay nga bata, no? Kay na-represent pag yung ginikanan na cute yung sila. Dito na masagot nga ni cute. Ikaw, ay karakter, ano siya? Yung karakter, ay kaya na baby girl, come here. Just so cute. Alam nga, dito ka ni ate. Next, what's your name? Alicia Amelie, your costume is? Ladybug. Yes, Ladybug. Here, baby girl, what's your costume? What's your name? What's your name? Mary, your costume is? You're a bee. Then ikaw, baby girl, you're? Si Paige. Paige, basak to Bella.
Everyone! Sayaw, 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 kids! Dance, dance! Shake your body! By the side of your foot, sa show of clapping hands, makatabang ni sa deliberations of the judges. First kisa will vote ni Rich. Outside show of clapping hands. Okay, mga 50 ka mo. Kapon, no Mary the Bee. Kisa will vote ni Mary the Bee. Okay, dagan-dagan sa... Mary the Bee, wait up your plan. Okay, come on. Next, si Blippi. Ay, dagan-dagan si Blippi. Gawin akong sakay. Si Vampire. Kisa na dito yung Vampire. Okay. Now, last but not the least. Perry. Kisa na dito yung Perry. Okay, so mag-work na sa judges. Judges, ang sa atong decision. Okay, for the fifth place, you win a tumbler and a toy. Ladies and gentlemen, please congratulate Miss Berry. Magpasakanan. A toy, wow, from McDonald's. For the fourth placer, ladies and gentlemen, please congratulate Vampire. Magpasakanan. tumbler, and a toy. For the third place, we have disabled si Rich, si B or si Lippy. Sa third place we have Mary Tabi Papatanan. Congratulations, Mary, you know, go to the parents. Okay, now for the contest costume, we have Lippy versus the Witch. So, kisahin ko to, Lippy or Witch? Again, Lippy or Witch? So, the winner is... Dun, 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 Lippy! What does Mary Witch? You have a tumbler and a toy from McDonald's. So, Lippy, you also have a toy and tumbler and a gift certificate given by Ma'am Roda with 100 pesos. So, may I request the parents of Lippy? Where is Lippy and his parents?